527, ready for departure. All right, folks, we've been cleared for takeoff.
Hi there, so today we're going to be flying in Class Charlie airspace. So let's do this, let's go! You know what, let's go start it already.
So the idea is watch the plane, and the easy way to do is you have two options. You can watch it at the airport, and the area not really comfortable to go there, and take everything and all the hoses and all this jazz. Or you can go take a plane and fly close to the rain. So what we are doing right now. I should be raining already.